can say that if you have a dream and if you have a passion, nothing is difficult. So I've been doing a duty of an air traffic controller. I'm a Cat B radar controller, and I'm a former international football player, and I'm the first Indian to officiate any World Cup final match. So you can see that it is not difficult if you have a passion. You can balance your professional life, you can balance your passion, and you can balance with your family also. So you can do everything if you have a passion and if you have a dream. I think everybody has a passion, everybody has a dream, everybody wants to do something in life. But sometimes we think the problems in our life hold us back, but it is not the thing. You have to work hard, you have to be better than what you are. You should not compare yourself with others, but you should be better than what you are. Then only you can achieve what you want. Yeah, I can tell you that I am a BCom graduate. I've done LLB, I've done BPEd, I've done ME in HRM. So I have qualification as well as other things in my life. So both education and sports. So everybody can do it if I can.
टफ़ और इजी की अगर बात करें तो जब बच्चा चलना स्टार्ट करता है तो उसके लिए शायद वो चलना भी टफ़ होता है, बट पीपल अराउंड देम दे हेल्प देम आउट टू ग्रो, टू अंडरस्टैंड. सेम एक पायलट के लिए भी होता है, वेदर इट्स अ वुमेन पायलट या आप कहो कि एक मेल ऑफिसर है जो पायलट है. और दूसरी चीज़ जो आपने स्टार्टिंग में ही बोली थी कि मेल डोमिनेटेड सोसाइटी, आई थिंक हमेशा हम ना नेगेटिव से स्टार्ट करते हैं कि मेल डोमिनेटेड सोसाइटी. इंडियन एयरफोर्स में विमेन ऑफिसर को लगभग 3 डिकेड हो जाएंगे अभी, 28 ईयर्स. इट्स नॉट अ स्मॉल जर्नी. जब कोई भी चीज़ शुरुआत होती है तो एक्सपेरिमेंट होते हैं, कोई भी चीज़ स्टार्ट होती है तो हम उसका रिजल्ट का वेट करते हैं. लेकिन आई थिंक 28 ईयर्स आर गुड इनफ टाइम टू अंडरस्टैंड, टू अप्रिशिएट, टू नो कि प्रोग्रेस क्या चल रही है. तो आज की डेट में अगर मैं बोलूँ कि मेल डोमिनेटेड, तो ये थोड़ा सा अंडरस्टेटमेंट होगा इस चीज़ के लिए, क्योंकि ये जो सोच है ये हमारी अपनी सोच है. देयर आर सो मेनी गुड थिंग्स विच आर हैपनिंग. इक्वालिटी मिल रही है, आप आगे बढ़ते जा रहे हो. अगर आप बढ़ते जा रहे हो तो आप कुछ आपको नए नए कोर्सेज के लिए भेजा जाता है, आपको नई अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ दी जाती हैं, आपको नई उपाधि दी जाती है. आप उस चीज़ को पकड़ के रखते हैं और आप उस चीज़ के ऊपर काम करते हैं. तो जब आप उसका रिजल्ट आता है तो आप सिर्फ अपने लिए वो चीज़ अचीव नहीं करते हैं. देयर आर सो मेनी अदर ऑफिसर्स, जूनियर ऑफिसर्स हु आर पेविंग योर पाथ, वो आगे चलती हैं. तो ये कहना कि इट्स अ मेल डोमिनेटेड सोसाइटी, तो मेरे हिसाब से ये सही नहीं है. और क्योंकि अगर ये सही होता तो आप जो इतनी सारी आज इंटरव्यू ले रहे हो ये नहीं होती.
Starting about my journey in Indian Air Force, it has been a wonderful experience that I have been associated with this institution, and I belong to a very normal middle class family where we all have the dream to become doctor or engineer, and then we forget there is another place also where we can be, that is the armed forces. So I chose because I wanted to wear the uniform and I wanted to serve the nation. And then I have been selected as a branch in logistics. And being a logistician of the Indian Air Force, I feel pride. And I'm thankful to Indian Air Force that they have given me the platform to serve here and serve my nation in a country, as a country. And regarding my journey, I feel very proud when I see the aircraft flying. Because as a logistics, I'm supposed to see all the equipment in the Air Force is serviceable. That is, the 100% serviceability of the Air Force equipment has to be there. And during my journey, I have been commended by AOCNC commendation and Chief Air Staff commendations also. Keeping all these things and my professional knowledge, and I have been selected in the first batch of women officers who has gone in the epitome of military institution of Defence Services Staff College, that is in Tamil Nadu, Wellington. That is the experience I have been gaining, and I must say that there is much ahead which I have to see and I have to be there for the thankfulness for Indian Air Force to give me this kind of platform. See, I believe in one thing, that the attitude makes a lot of difference. So if we all believe that we have a positive attitude, we can do anything. There is nothing negative that whoever wants to join, they're most welcome to join, because this is the one path. Everyone should think that if I take one step ahead, that step will open the ways to a new future and to a new career. And this place is the best one if anyone, any girl or any woman, they want to choose as a career. So I must welcome all the women, because when you wear a uniform, you feel successful and you feel confident.